Welcome, friends, and what a beautiful day to play. Miss Muffin here, so let's get started. Today, we're going to play with the Captain America, the Winter Soldier Shield Blast motorcycle. So here, we have Captain America. Hey, guys. And take him off here. We see that he is in the seated position, but his legs move, his arms move, and his head moves. Here is his motorcycle, and the wheels move, and it's all set to go. And now we will load one of the shields so we can fire it. And the way that that works is we take the shield like this and we load it into here like that. Oopsies, like this. No, we load it. Well, we could put one shield there. And then, yeah, we do load it here. Let's try again. Go like that. Perfect. Now it's loaded. So we can have one shield here and one shield here. And then this extra shield we can just hang on to for a second. We'll put Captain America on here. Thanks, Miss Muffin. I always like to be on my bike. And we'll hook him on. Like that. And then to fire it, what we do is we push down on this. So, Captain America, yes? We're gonna fire your motorcycle. Are you ready to fire one of your shields? Absolutely. Let's do it. On the count of three. On the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that was pretty cool. Let's try that again. Yes, it was. Okay, so we lock and load the shield again. Like that. And then push down on here. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Those shields fly far and fast. This time I'm not going to block it with my hand. So lock and load. Whoops. Careful, Miss Muffin. I'm sorry, Captain America. Let's lock and load this. Perfect. Put Captain America back on. That's the way I like it. Now he is ready to go. And 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Perfect. Let's lock and load with another one. So now we'll take this and we'll put it on again. And let's shoot it at this green wall. You ready, Captain America? Almost. You can put one of those shields on my back. Oh yeah, let's put one on his back. Like that. So now we have all three of the shields with us at all times. And that way when we shoot one, we can just reload with one of these other ones. Okay. Ready? Ready when you are, Captain. Okay, on my count. 1, 2, 3. Nice shot. Wow, that is very cool. Well, I gotta be off. Lots to do, people to save, America to protect. All right, Captain America, well, thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for hanging out with me. And you guys, don't forget to subscribe to the Miss Muffin channel and play again soon sometime. I'm off.